Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a proxy with Undetectable Browser. Here we have a pricing plans. As you see, they have free version. As you downloaded the browser, click New Profile on the top left corner and give the name to the profile. For me it's ProxyEmpire. Click on the second icon called Main and choose New Proxy. Now you select the type of proxy, HTTP or SOCKS 5, we support both. Let's go to your ProxyEmpire account and choose country, region, city, ICP unit. For me it's United States, New York. Now let's copy our proxy in the right table and post it. Click Create Account. We see account is created, now open it. Let's check if everything is working correctly. We will do it on the website whoar.net. We see that my IP is New York, United States. It means that the setup was successful. Proxy not detected, blacklist, no. Good luck! If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.